Stars are just a map of where I've been, proof of battles that I fought to win. The road is long, the healing process slow, but deep roots are growing down below. But a current wakes inside the dark. From an ember comes a blinding spark. Don't you know I'm still standing, rising like the tide, with the strength of the ocean burning deep inside.
You fell down hard, but you didn't break. Every single breath is a choice you make. From the deepest shadows to the open track, you fought through hell, never looking back.
Don't you know I'm still standing, rising like the tide, with the strength of the ocean burning deep inside. Still standing, still breathing, we rise. Still standing, still breathing, we rise.
The golden sun is sinking past the reef. The island settles into sweet relief. We roll a woven mat out on the sand. I feel the magic when you take my hand. The bogey falls across the quiet sea, and there is nowhere else I'd rather be. Look up and see the Fiji, Kalo Kalo, shining bright, lighting up our love across the velvet night. This Dodomo is deeper than the ocean blue. My island paradise is anywhere with you. Yeah, under the Kalo Kalo, my heart belongs to you. The Kagi whispers gently through the palm tree leaves, singing the sweet song that the ocean weaves. Daolo Mani, rest your head upon my shoulder now. I promise to protect you, let me make the vow. The beach fire crackles soft, the embers glow, the rhythm of the water moving sweet and slow. Look up and see the Fiji, Kalo Kalo, shining bright, lighting up our love across the velvet night. This Dodomo is deeper than the ocean blue. My island paradise is anywhere with you. Yeah, under the Kalo Kalo, my heart belongs to you. Let the tide roll out, let the tide roll in. Where the water ends is where our souls begin. Segani guy like Ava, this magic in the air, with the starlight dancing in your dark brown hair. Just the southern cross above us and the whispering sand. The greatest treasure that I hold is right here in my hand. Fiji, Kalo Kalo, shining
Talanoa e Nabogi.
Talomai, Talomai, Maka, Maka, Ula, Solia na Bilo, Solia na Bilo, Solia na Bilo, Waka Malua, Solia na Bilo, Waka Malua.
Are you still running on island time? Working past the sunset and missing your rest? When your nets are finally full and the journey is done, you need to stop braving the rough waves alone. Piece of my pride grew tall like the highest coconut tree. I didn't shelter you when the strong winds came. Acting tough is just a shell we leave on the shore. My deepest fear is that my heart isn't your home anymore. Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we grow. How have you been? I really need to know. Don't let the waves wash away the memories we hold. I just need you sitting on the mat, teasing and laughing with me. Let a calm sea replace the storm I used to be. I just wanna hear you firmly say your Loloma is true. It hurts, we can't sail back to the moment I had you. How have you been? The heavens know this heavy chest is sinking. Regret burns inside like the midday sun. Just one more warm embrace would heal my soul. I'd cross any reef to make you whole. Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we grow. The Loloma I offer you, do you still want it today? I'm too afraid to ask, too scared of what you'll say. I just need you sitting on the mat, teasing and laughing with me. Don't use your leaving to teach me my greatest treasure was lost to the sea. Don't just say you once loved me in the days before. Let us sail back to that second on the shore. How have you been? How have you been? Can you still lean on my shoulder? Share a smile and stay a while. Let me sing for you, be a fool for you, and watch the tides till we grow. How have you been? How have you been? I really need to know. How have you been? Don't let the ocean carry my treasure was lost to the sea. Don't just say you once loved me in the days before. Let us sail back to that second on the shore. How have you been? How have you been?
Warm rain couldn't hold you tight.
Coral reefs weep in the night. Your lally drum echoes the bay, telling palms you sailed away. My cover can't numb this pain. Your song leaves me drunk in the rain. I'd cross the deep ocean swell, but you left no words, no farewell. Loloma, I wait by Vude shore. They say you wait on. Yes, hours flow. Is it the golden sand there? Or sweet hibiscus in your hair? Shell horns blow, it's not you. No girl sings with the soul so true.
Tides pull, the current is strong. Gave my heart, you took it along. Cut ties, were left no trace. Just goes in this paradise place.
My cover can't numb this pain. Your song leaves me drunk in the rain. Loloma, I wait by Vude shore. They say you wait on. Yes, hours flow. Is it the golden sand there? Oh, sweet hibiscus in your hair. Isale, outside my hood. Oh, outside my hood. Oh, outside my hood. Oh, Isale. Oh, outside my hood. Outside my hood. Outside my hood. Oh, 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 outside my hood. A boat draws near, but it's never your shadow, my dear. Loloma, I wait by Vude shore. They say you wait on. Yes, hours flow. Is it the golden sand there? Or sweet hibiscus in your hair? Isale, the tide is low. Till Burotu, where our spirits go. Till Burotu, where our spirits go. Lord, I look up to the Loma Lagi high and see the galaxies you painted in the sky. But Kalu, forgive me if my gaze comes down to the most breathtaking lewa on this ground. I know you made the mountains and the sea, but the way she moves is the greatest miracle to me. Bosotio Kalu, skin is golden like the breaking dawn, a masterpiece of art that you have drawn, a scenic cow blooming in the gentle breeze. Her voice alone can bring me to my knees. When you made her look, you took your sweetest time. Every breath she takes is poetry and rhyme. My utoku beats a rhythm just for her. My spirit's captured, I completely surrender. Vosotio kalu, forgive me now for falling so deep in Loloma. I bow. I am mesmerized by your own creation, lost completely in this fascination. Her matana glow like the silver Vude, reflecting light upon the midnight water. I don't mean to idolize an earthly dove, but God, I am sorry, I am just in love. I see your divine grace in her warm smile, so let me walk with her for just a while. I praise you for the beauty of her soul, because loving her has made my spirit whole. To Raga, I thank you for this grand design, and I pray tonight that you will make her mine. Vosotio kalu, forgive my staring eyes. She is an angel falling from your skies. Her eyes are the Vude in my darkest night. My beautiful Lewa, my guiding light. Vinaka for the gift from heaven above. God, I'm so sorry, I am just in love.
Oh yeah. Years may pass, your light remains, hidden tears behind the pain. Every heart has storms to face. Hope begins with one embrace. One small prayer to start the day. One new step will lead the way. God first, let His love shine through. Family close, they'll carry you. Work with purpose, serve with grace. Rest and grow at your own pace. Rise again, don't be afraid. Every sunrise brings new strength. Oh, love is more than blood alone. Home is where your heart is known. Every dream begins with care. Lift another hope we share. If you're hurting, speak your mind. Healing grows when hearts unite. God first, let His love shine through. Family close, they'll carry you. Work with purpose, serve with grace. Rest and grow at every day can shape the plan. Learn, believe, keep standing tall. One kind word can change it all. Healing is courage, not a disguise. Faith gives wings when dreams arise. God first, family near. Love is stronger than our fear. Grow each day, answer the call. People matter most of all. Keep believing, keep the fire. Step by step, we're climbing higher. Oh,
One more day,
one more chance. The shadows grow long, the room is so cold, carrying a weight that makes me feel old. I look in the mirror, but no one is there, just an empty reflection, a silent despair. I'm walking this road with no one inside, searching for morning, but trapped in the night. Oh Galili too, I am so lonely. Edre nabula, life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa no bukalo. Oh my God, please heal this heavy heart. Now I need my diet of it. The tears flow, no hands to hold me, no comfort, no rest. Kagi kaukawa, strong winds blowing right through my chest. When the burden is heavy and the world fades away, Autagive Kemuni, I cry to you, teaching my soul how to pray. I've tried to be strong, I've tried to stand tall, but my spirit is breaking, I'm ready to fall. So I bow my knee to you in the silence of my room. Maybe I just need to pray a little harder through the gloom. Aukuva veikemuni, nongu turaga. I bow to you, my Lord. Meu masuva kaukaua. Oh Galili too, I am so lonely. Edre nabula, life is hard. Tears fall in the silence, hidden in the dark. I'm drifting away, a lost little spark. Isa no bukalo. Oh my God, please heal this heavy heart. Please heal this heavy heart. Maybe I should pray a little harder. Meu masuva kaukaua. I should pray harder. I bow my knee to just a phone screen between you and me. I counted the days, I saved every dime, living on hope and Fiji time, dreaming of Suva, the rain on the roof. My love for you was my only truth. I pictured you waiting, wearing your smile, just a little more time, just another mile. 30 days left till I boarded that flight. Had the ring in my pocket ready to make it right. I was gonna ask your father, do it respectfully, bring the icona, build our family. But the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu salu so sweet, but another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, and my VT flower is lost to the sea. They say it's tradition, the families know best, an arranged union to put the elders at rest. But what about the nights we whispered our plans? Now you're wearing a ring from another man's hands. I stare at this ticket, the date circled in red, while the ghosts of our future are spinning in my head. The tango is empty, the kava tastes bitter. My heart has been shattered like glass in the river. 30 days left till I was supposed to be there. Now I'm drowning in silence, breathing cold air. I was gonna ask your father, I was coming back home. Now I'm stuck on this side of the ocean alone. Cause the lolly drum beats a different song today. I got the call that washed my whole world away. They say you were white, a salu salu so sweet, but another man was standing there at your feet. Your parents chose him, the papers assigned. 5 years of promises left far behind. I'm 1 month away from bending my knee, and my VT flower is lost to the sea. I can't fight your parents, I know how it goes. Respect for the culture is the only way it flows. But Lord, it's a heavy, heavy burden to bear, to love you so fiercely and know you're not there. I hope he treats you right, I hope you find peace while my tears fall down and the memories cease. Most, my darling, my beautiful dream, swept away down a fast-moving stream. 1 month away, but a lifetime too late. I surrender my heart to the islands and fate. 5 years gone and just a month away. Most. I've been working so hard, trying to find my place. I wanna stand tall, look myself in the eye, and know that I gave it my all, reaching for the sky, to be a man of my word, through the joy and the pain, to break every cycle and shelter you from the rain. I wanna make you proud, I wanna be the light. Hauna solia no guigu, and I see God came na bogi. For my wife, for my child, for the man that I am. Veiko atiku, veiko luveku. I will stand like a mountain, a proud, strong man. How not today? Meu yavu ni no da vuvale. When I hold your hand, the love of my life, na no gulolo maveiko, esega ni mudu. I promise to honor you, my beautiful wife, and to the little one sleeping safe in my arms. I'll be your shield, keeping you from all harm. Meu tama vinaka, that's my ultimate vow, to make myself proud, starting right here and now. I wanna make you proud, I wanna be the light. Hauna solia no guigu, and I see God came na bogi. For my wife, for my child, for the man that I am. Veiko atiku,
Across the wasa wasa, across the blue. Nongu daulo mani, my heart flies to you. I hear the lali calling me home through these crowded streets where I walk alone. Keep the fire burning, waraki ao. Au sale sutiko mai to you. They play a Vude track on my headphones tonight. I close my eyes and I picture the light. The boys round the tano, the guitars in tune, dancing with you under the suva moon. Seganita utawata on this foreign sand. I miss the senibua in our motherland. The city is loud, but your voice is so clear, chasing away every shadow and fear. Kuanileka, the waiting is almost done. We'll be together under the island sun. My Dodomo is strong, it will guide the way, bringing me closer to you every day. Across the wasa wasa, across the blue. Nongu daulo mani, my heart flies to you. I hear the lali calling me home through these crowded streets where I walk alone. Keep the fire burning, waraki ao. Au sale sutiko mai to you. Coming back home across the blue. No kulewa, I'm coming to you. Hear the ocean singing, the distance is gone. We made it through the dark. Here comes the dawn. No more yawasara, the waiting is through. Au sale sutiko mai, I'm finally home with you. Island winds whisper your name, soft as dusk in amber flame. Come to me and stay tonight, where silence glows in fading light. Barefoot dreams on quiet sand, your gentle fingers in my hand. The moon bends low to hear us breathe, while waves write secrets underneath. And in the stillness of the tide, I find my soul here by your side. Sing hey, voices rising, hearts awake. Under stars our spirits meet, where love and fate move soft and deep. Lucky are we, beneath the sky. Two restless hearts now side by side.
sunsets on white sand. No more walking hand in hand. Wind hits the green palm trees. I fall down to my knees. I miss your sweet voice, but I have no choice. I look at the deep blue sea. I wish you were here with me, but the tide takes you away. I have nothing left to say. I will never meet someone like you. My poor heart is now torn in two. On this island I am all alone. Without you, this is not a home. No one else can take your part. You took a piece of my heart. Look, empty boat on the shore. I do not want to hurt no more. I try to fake a big smile, but it has been a long while. You were my bright star in the night. Now I have lost all of my light, losing the very best that I had. Every song just sounds so sad. I look at the deep blue sea. I wish you were here with me, but the tide takes you away. I have nothing left to say. I will never meet someone like you. My poor heart is now torn in two. On this island I am all alone. Without you, this is not a home. No one else can take your part. You took a piece of my heart. My tears fall down like the rain. I try to wash away the pain. You were my sweet island dream. Now I am lost in the cold stream. I will never meet someone like you. My poor heart is now torn in two. On this island I am all alone. Without you, this is not a home. No one else can take your part. You took a piece of my heart. I will never find someone like you. Goodbye to the lover I knew. I never thought it would end. A sudden cagging, a spark in the dark. You were the seagull that woke up my heart. A fragile glass castle built on the sand. We painted forever, just holding your hand. The wine was still, the ocean was glass, but seasons of Loloma are too sweet to last. Oh, the bula goes on, though the aloe so is torn. We bloom like the lotus right out of the mud. A beautiful room Promises made that you never could keep. Said it was dying, true. Said it was fate. Now I'm just staring alone at the gate. Heart breaks a storm and echoing thunder, tearing the roots of my spirit asunder. But I rise from the ash, no time to be hollow. I'm stepping right into a brighter attacker tomorrow. Gotta keep moving, the rhythm is beating. The pain in my chest is already retreating.
Most goodbye
To the shadow, the night is withdrawn.
the heartbeat continues.
Bula goes on.
Bula goes on.
I wanna fly so high, wings dry, aiming for the light. Who falls, who flies, nobody cares. Still I ride the island there, carrying wounded words to share.
Chasing dreams so we arrive.
Flapping wings to stay alive. Through weeping nights we roam. Brighter shines our island home.
Like a man do I depart.
Painting stories from the heart.
I wanna fly far across the sea.
With my guitar,
Wild and free.
they say you ain't alone, no lie. But I won't just watch clouds roll by. Nobody listening,
I don't care.
I spit my truth in the salty air. Heal the broken, make you smile. Bring the tailwind across the miles.
Chasing dreams so we arrive.
Flapping wings to stay alive. Carrying you from a distant past to a future built to last.
Like a flock we unite.
Playing our quartet
In the lights.
singing our song into the blue.
We grow. Now we gotta go. We'll all over. We know
It ain't the end of the world. We'll see you one day.
chasing the dawn we arrive.
Night turns gold, hope's alive. I'll return across the foam, painting a story on our way home. Until we meet anew.
Fuka over the waza. Fuka over the waza.
Hey, hey, Fuka over the waza.
Fuka.
Walking by the ocean breeze down at Natadola Bay. The silver Vude shines, taking all my breath away. But the stars above the waitress don't shine nearly as bright as the magic in your eyes under the silent light.
your smile. The waves upon the mat, the sour, sing a gentle song. With you right here beside me is exactly where I belong. Your mat, the drip, drip, drip is the only thing I see. Bringing all the beauty of the ice I was to me. A tropical breeze is blowing, but I feel so warm inside. With you, my island angel, standing right here by my side. Vosotio, pardon me if I stare a little while. Vosotio, I think I'm falling for your smile. Oh, domonico, more than any words can say. My beautiful labor, you stole my heart today. Yeah, pardon me if I'm falling, falling for your smile. Isale, my darling, this feeling is so deep. A promise by the ocean that my soul will always keep. With every ukulele strum and every gentle breeze, I'm lost inside your love, you put my spirit at ease. No other place on earth I'd ever wanna be. Just you, the shining Vude, and the quiet coral sea. So pardon me, Vosotio, falling for your smile right now. Oh, domonico, my love is true and deep. Underneath the night, the dollar moon, while the islands sleep. Vosotio, I love your smile. You come knocking when your world is breaking down. Tears on your face, the saddest smile in town. I hold you close when you are falling apart. Isale, I feel the heavy weight upon my yaloku and heart. Juanita, don't cry, everything gonna be alright. I'll be your shelter through the darkest night. But can't you see, I am more than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. While you keep on seeking the love out there, Seganiraika, I am the one who truly cares. Why not me? Why not me? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see my feeling for you? No kuloloma. Yeah, look, every time he breaks your heart, you run back to my door, leaving teardrops on my shirt, crying on my floor. You talk about him every night, asking what went wrong while I've been waiting in the shadows, loving you so long. Yeah, you say I'm just a itokani, the best you ever had. But hearing that word, man, it makes me go mad. I wipe your tears, hold your hand, tell you it's okay. But Vunia Loco is screaming, wishing you would stay. Stop looking out there, stop chasing the pain. Why you searching for the sun when you're standing in the rain? Dre, it's so hard for me to speak, but I'm the strong one you need whenever you feel weak. Yeah,
ready to catch you. Just tell me when you fall. But can't you see? I am more than just your friend. More than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. Ooh, while you keep on seeking the love out there, Seganiraika, I am the one who truly cares. Why not me? Why not me? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see my feeling for you? No guloloma. You run to me when your heart is in pain. I always shield you from the lonely rain. But I wanna be more than the shoulder you lean on. No money out before the hope is gone. I'm hiding all my passion behind a friendly face, wishing I could be the one to finally take his place. But can't you see? I am more than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. Ooh, why you keep on seeking the love out there? Seganiraika, I am the one who truly cares. Why not me? Why not me? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see my feeling for you? No guloloma. Can't you see my feeling for you? No guloloma. Kwanitagi, just look into my eyes. No more heartbreak, no more goodbyes. Why not me? Can't you see? I am right here. I've always been. Itokaniga. No, let this waiting end. Sale, I am so much more than just your friend. Ooh, hey. Bula bula, the waves still sing under moonlight, remembering we once were young. Barefoot on the sand, hearts wild and free, chasing sunsets by the endless sea. Love so hard, but let it slip away. Now old hands hold the price we pay. All the dreams we never touched, all the words we hid too much. Vinaka for the days gone by. Still hear your name in the island sky. Oh, time, you sail like the ocean tide. Oh, taking all we could not hide. Life keeps moving on. We once are young, now shadows grow. Memories dance where the cold winds blow. Cry for love, for things undone. But the morning says life goes on. Seganileka, let it be. No regrets, just set me free. I love myself more than before. Life moves on like waves to shore. Old roads call, but feet move slow. Faces fade like firelight glow. Regret the chances I let die, but stars still shine in the Fijian sky. Maybe now there's one small way
Yo, clock keeps ticking, no rewind in life. Lost my love, my dreams, my fight, but I stand tall with these scars inside. Ocean wash pain with the rising tide. Kai Vite, so hear the choir sing. Pain made peace, now I feel everything. Past is gone, but I still breathe. Love myself now, that's victory. We once are young, but now we know. Letting go helps the spirit grow. Through the tears and all the pain, Vinaka, I'd live it all again. Bula bula, life goes on. We once were young, fade with the sea. We once were young.
Golden light, carry me home. Back in the old days, 1980 light, rollerblades shining through the warm sunset sky. Island roads calling, mountains standing tall. Every little memory still feels like home. The waves keep singing, the trade winds know. Some old dreams never let go. Roll with me where the palm trees sway. Blue sea dancing till the end of day. From the mountain peaks to the golden shore, my island heart keeps wanting more. Oh, never let it fade. Never let it fade. Rolling slow with the reggae beat, bare feet rhythm on the island street. Sun goes down but the fire stays bright. Family, friends and the stars tonight. Old school memories forever alive. Ocean in my soul keeps the dreaming drive. You hear the choir rise above the sea, calling every memory back to me. Yeah. Roll with me where the palm trees sway. Blue sea dancing till the end of day. From the mountain peaks to the golden shore, my island heart keeps wanting more. Oh, never let it fade. If tomorrow brings another tide, my island home will be my guide. Every road leads back again, where love remains beyond the wind. Roll with me beneath the morning sun, whole day shining, we're forever young. From the mountain high to the endless blue, every rolling mile comes back to you. The breeze remembers. Oh, on home. are wearing white. The veil is drawn, my little girl is gone, a woman is born. Take my arm, love it cool, my child. Don't be afraid for this beautiful moment. I have always prayed. Now I walk you down the aisle, my little, my girl, through the winding matter. We walk together with all my loloma. I give you away. A father's proudest heartbeat on this wedding day. Toto Cadena, shining so bright. My little girl is an island queen in white. Oh, oh. Oh. The music is playing, the church is still. My chest is overflowing with the moral joy. I feel I see him waiting at the altar for your hand. The luckiest young man in all the land. I'll hold you tight for one more step and give you all the promises that I have kept. The father's job is stepping back to let you fly, but there will always be a tear in my eye. So I walk you down the aisle, my little, through the winding matter. We walk together with all my love. I give you away. A father's proudest heartbeat on this wedding day. Toto Cadena, shining so bright. My little girl is an island queen in white. Mikalo Gata, may you be blessed in your brand new life. My perfect sweet daughter makes a perfect wife. No matter where you sail across the sea, you will always have a home right here with me. Yes, your time will always love you endlessly. As I walk you down the aisle, my little, through the winding matter. We walk together. We walk together with all my loloma. I give you away. A father's proudest heartbeat on this wedding day. Toto Cadena, shining so bright. My little girl is an island queen in white. One step at a time, love it cool. Lolo my level, so much love. I am so proud of you. Go to him now. Mikalo Gata. Fiji winds side by side. Silver moons, the sands grew cold, holding on to mid-sweet toll. A sparkler lit beside the sea, faded fast for you and me. It was so bright, high, lost to the dark Pacific sky. Lamps guide the empty shore. Island magic here no more. Blinding days flash back to night. Fragmented pain. Hitting the water, check on my wrist. Ripples of fear, man, what comes next? Young and foolish, feeling so vexed. Kept out the ring, scared of the sting. Fearful of waves that the tropics bring. Tropical rain washes yesterday, changing the theories, making the way. Dropped in a new phase, leaving the bay, smiling at the gray clouds today.
Our past fades in the ocean tide.
Heavy tears wash,
Nowhere to hide.
drop in a new phase.
Leave history behind.
I feel
So high.
all our spirit. Hula, hula, spirit. Hula, 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 spirit. Son, let's see how far to see. Walk into the next, just me. Left the reef, won't drown in blue. I'll rise as the moon anew.
Our past fades in the ocean tide.
Heavy tears wash,
Nowhere to hide.
drop in a new phase. Leave history behind. La 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 la.
La la. Fiji winds. La la la. La la la. La la la. Fiji winds. La la la. Forbidden shores. Saw the gold ring on your hand. Here upon this island sand. Knew the rules of the tide, but you pulled me to your side. Made me feel like the only one underneath the setting sun. Wrong felt right in the firelight. Knew I shouldn't, but fell deep. You stole a memory I keep. This is my last song for you. Ancient far across the blue. Kept by vows I couldn't break. Every night my soul lay. Never mind. Though I fell blind. Yeah, bound by strings I couldn't see. Caught in your storm, wild and free. You had the life on different ground. I surfed your life, spinning around. Gave you love I couldn't save. Rode the heartbreak like the wave. Wrong felt right in the firelight. Knew I shouldn't, but fell deep. You stole a memory I keep. This is my last song for you. Ancient far across the blue. Kept by vows I couldn't break. Every night my soul will ache. Make ever mine. Though I fell blind. the chorus, go back to her distant shore.
By your side now, too much betrayal, we broke the vow. Not even friends, just shadows in the sand. Missed the time and couldn't even grab your hand. I blame the heavy rain, but the fault is mine. Left my courage on the reef, we ran out of time. Yeah, maybe the Kagi blew a little too strong. Tears in my eyes, where do we go wrong? Maybe I was too broken to hold you close. Single photo to remember the pain. You didn't walk with me when the storm broke through. I lacked the courage to build a shelter for you. Now I lost your name, my Lolo, my life. A secret I buried deep in the night. Oh, just a secret I keep. My love, let the water sleep. Deep in the night. Fiji winds. You read my mind in the Fiji sun. Words fail, but the magic's begun. I worry I won't meet your overthinking this view? Are you hiding from feelings new? If you choose me, I'll take the leap. My vision blurs the oceans deep. First time I said I love you, breathless under Pacific blue. First time I held your hand, lost in the warm Fiji sand. Our hearts align. Head spinning round, 24 hours off the ground. On my chest while palm trees sway, island rhythm washes fears away. Yeah. Forever starts today. Am I overthinking this view? Are you hiding from feelings new? If you choose me, I'll take the leap. My vision blurs the oceans deep. First time I said I love you, you belong to me, no disguise. My forever is inside your eyes. First time I said I love you, breathless under Pacific blue. First time I held your hand, lost in the warm Fiji sand. Our hearts align. First time, first time, first time, Fiji love. Oh. Gather round the fire, hear the island legend. I recall the moonlit tide. You refused to walk by my side. My soul crashed like a wave, lost inside an ocean cave. Smiles and tears bring the rain, sailed away, leaving the pain. Hid within the palm tree shade, with soft winds I was betrayed. An ancient nightmare we made. Baby, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders said I did no wrong. Why'd you hurt me so long? Please let me know. Sorrow is the current you show. Took the pearl, left shells behind. Elders warned of a love so blind, like a serpent in the banyan tree. Stole my heart, gave a storm to me. You rode out, forced me to stay. A tragic myth on the island bay. Smiles and tears bring the rain, sailed away, leaving the pain. Hid within the palm tree shade, with soft winds I was betrayed. An ancient nightmare we made. Baby, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders said I did no used to sail the sea alone, gave the ocean, paid the price. The village fool drowning in ice. Baby, oh, why'd you hurt me so long? Hurt me so long. The elders say I did no wrong. Why'd you hurt me so long? Please let me know. Sorrow is the curtain you showed. The fire dies, the legend ends. Oh.
Broken promises and empty hope. I never thought I'd walk this road alone. The tears keep falling, no waning my time. But I am reaching for a higher yaka. The ring is gone, the chapter has to close. Where do I go from here? Only heaven knows. The storm is heavy, I can't fight the tide. To Raga, Lord, I need you by my side. Take these broken pieces of my heart. Show me how to make a brand new start. I surrender it all to you, Kalu, Vukeo. Help me, I don't know where to go. Guide my steps today and all my tomorrows. Wash away the pain, heal all my sorrows. You see my key out, guide me through the darkest night. Lead my spirit back into the light. They say that time will make the hurting fade, but I am standing in the mess I made. Yet in your loloma, I find my strength. I know you'd go for me to any land. No bubula, my life is in your gentle hands. Help me trust the way your grace commands. The storm is heavy, I can't fight the tide. To Raga, Lord, I need you by my side. Take these broken pieces of my heart. Show me how to make a brand new start. I surrender it all to you, Kalu, Vukeo. Help me, I don't know where to go. Guide my steps today and all my tomorrows. Wash away the pain, heal all my sorrows. Do see my key out, guide me through the darkest night. Lead my spirit back into the light. Bakasegu, flow like a river deep. Hold me close when I can only weep. No more looking back, the past is gone. With your breath in me, I carry on. Bakabulaya, heal me, make me whole again. You are the healer of my deepest pain. You are the healer of my deepest pain. I surrender it all to you, Kalu, Vukeo. Help me, I don't know where to go. Guide my steps today and all my tomorrows. Wash away the pain, heal all my sorrows. Do see my key out, guide me through the darkest night. Lead my spirit back into the light. To Raga, I lay my burdens down. In your love, my future has been found. Vinaka, thank you for the strength to face today. trust you, Lord, to always lead the way. Amen. Amen. Oh, amen.
No, 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 no. Palm trees sway. You talk of her today. You smile bright, my heart breaks slow. I hide tears where trade winds blow. You hold my hand when you fight. I smile and I make it right. But ease of my soul cries, drowning in your brown eyes. I'm the shore, she is your sea. You share your heart, not with me. I fix your highs and lows, but she's the one you're low money chose. You vent about text she sent, play therapist, time well spent. Swallow pride, step aside, best friend's guy, nowhere to hide. I'm the shoulder that you need, watering a hopeless seed. You hold my hand when you fight. I smile and I make it right, but ease of my soul cries, drowning in your brown eyes. I'm the shore, oh, oh, oh. She's your sea, oh, oh, oh. You share your heart, not with me. Up, 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 I fix your highs and lows, oh, oh. But she's the one you're low money chose. Sega, 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 sega. I wipe your tears beneath the moon. Morning sun comes way too soon. You run to her, storm is past. I'm a shadow that couldn't last. I'm the shore, I, oh, oh. She is your sea, she is your sea. You share your heart, share your heart, not with me, not with me. I fix your highs and lows, but she's the one you're low money chose. Best friends love, violent rain. My sweet pain. Letting go. The shadows fall, the tears have dried. I gave my all, but I lost my pride. I saw you smiling, holding his hand. Most no good eye, and now I understand.
Matavaeke, I have no more fight. I'm stepping completely out of your life. Sarau Tamada, I think this is enough for me. How Sadruka, I lost this time. It's plain to see. Sayali Kete, all the pride I used to hold. Koiko Keikoya, your love story unfolds. Hoike Mudrao Saka, you both are the winners now. I step away and take a bow. It hurts to say, but I'm letting go. The battle's done, I lay it low. You took my heart, you claimed the prize. I see the victory in both of your eyes. Sarau Tamada, I think this is enough for me. How Sadruka, I lost this time. It's plain to see. Sayali Kete, all the pride I used to hold. Koiko Keikoya, your love story unfolds. Hoike Mudrao Sakaka, you both are the winners now. I step away and take a bow. I step away and take a bow. I concede it. I step away. Enjoy your love. Enjoy your day. Ausadruka, I leave the stage. Oike Mudrao Sakaka, turning the page. I think this is enough for me. Sarau Tamada, Sarau Tamada.
Island lights shine so bright. Ooh, I love in the moonlit night. Soft wind sing where our hearts meet. Two souls dancing barefoot feet. Found you when the days were wild. Young hearts free just like a child. Didn't know what love could be till your eyes looked back at me. They knock out for this endless fire. You're the one my soul desire. Though my could beat when you are near. With your love I lose my fear. You're my island, my safe place. Bula hey, your warm embrace. Hand in hand beneath the stars. Forever ours, no matter far. Hey, bula pinaka. Trees sway, the tide rolls in. Every touch feels like home again. Through the storm and through the rain, your love heals my every pain. Siganaleka, hold me tight. You're my sun, my guiding light. You're my island, my safe place. Bulahe, your warm embrace. Hand in hand beneath the stars, forever ours, no matter far. Bula, hey, Pinaka, hey, Bula, hey, Pinaka, hey. Yo, yo, from day one, I knew it's true. Island sky all painted blue. Heartbeat loud like island drum. Found my queen, my only one. No fear now, my soul set free. Bula love, you're home to me. You're my island, my safe place. Forever ours in time and space. Bula, hey, Pinaka, hey. Love so deep won't fade away.
No, 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 moonlight rise, firelight glow, carry my soul where wild winds blow. Bula hey, Bula yo. Clap that fire, let the whole world know. I was lost in the stormy rain, heavy heart with the world of pain. But the drums kept calling my name, whispering soft, you can change again. Lift me up where the sky turns gold. Hold my hand when the night gets cold. Segana leka, don't let go. Hear that choir, feel it in your soul.
This is the dawn, the beginning light.
Drums on fire, gonna heal tonight.
Bula, bula, clapping light.
Rise like islands, strong and bright. Yo, feet on earth, heart and flame. Past cars deep, but I break that chain. Walk my road through sun and rain. Be knock our life, can be born again. Choir sing loud, hands go clap. Boom like thunder on the map. From the hills to the mountain high, I keep pushing, I touch the sky. Hear the call to the endless night.
Ancient song.
Bring the morning light.
This is the dawn, the beginning light.
Drums and fire gonna heal tonight.
Bula, bula, clapping light.
Rise like islands, strong and bright.
is the dawn, the beginning light.
Carry my spirit far away. Yeah. Oh, island breeze, sunrise on me. Clap, clap, feel that beat now. Bulaye, we rise now. Ah, na, 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 na. Yeah. Woke up lost in the dark last night, thinking maybe I ain't worth the fight. But the waves kept talking to my soul, saying stand up, don't let go. Every morning got a reason why. See the colors painting up the sky. Even if you fall, even if you break, still got time, still got roads to take. When we young, we build our name. Through the sunshine, through the rain. Make your story, make it strong, so your fire keeps burning on. Rise up, hear the island sing. Clap your hands, let the whole earth ring. Bulaye, feel the love inside like the ocean waves. Let your spirit rise. Rise up, don't be afraid. Life's too short to let it fade. Sing hey oh, sing hey oh. Your story lives wherever you go. Old days come, but the heart stays young. Through the stories and the songs we sung, leave good vibes for the ones behind. Spread that love till the end of time. No soul here was made for nothing, but you got to move, keep searching. If you stand still, you'll never know how far your little seed can grow. God's love stronger than the sea, gives us strength to just believe. Through the storm, through the pain, sunshine always comes again. Rise up, hear the island sing. Clap your hands, let the whole earth ring. Bulaye, feel the love inside like the ocean waves. Let your spirit rise. Bulaye, whoa, island drums, island soul. Yo, young boy dreaming by the shoreline. Big world moving, but I trust my own time. Step by step, gotta build that way. Sun gon' rise on a brand new day. Fall down 7, get up 8. Love and faith's gonna make you great. From the islands to the world, we say, keep your fire, never fade away. Rise up, hear the island sing. Clap your hands, let the whole earth ring. Bulaye, feel the love inside like the ocean waves. Let your spirit rise up, don't be afraid.
If a sudden wind blows my light away, and sickness or a storm steals my day, do not look for me only in the dark. I left you my warmth, I left you a spark. Will you still miss me when the tide rolls in? Will you speak my name with a gentle grin? Wrap my memory in a woven blanket tight, keep it safe through the longest night. Bury me in velvet, white as the sand, sunk in a bed of lilies across the land. My legacy is the love we grew. I live forever inside of you. Farewell for now. Oh, I am gone. Oh, I am gone. But my song in your heart lives on. If an accident breaks the plans we made, and my footprints on the shore start to fade, gather together, share a sweet morning feast. Remember my laugh from the greatest to least. Will you still miss me when the tide rolls in? Will you speak my name with a gentle grin? Wrap my memory in a woven blanket tight, keep it safe through the longest night. Bury me in velvet, white as the sand, sunk in a bed of lilies across the land. My legacy is the love we grew. I'll live forever inside of you. Farewell for now. Oh, I am gone. Oh, I am gone. But my song in your heart lives on. At the grave, I taught you to stand, I taught you be brave. Time is a wave, but the spirit is strong. An accident or illness can't silence this song. Am I missed? Am I heard? Yeah, I see the tears fall, but my legacy stands like a tree growing tall. Speak of my name, let the memories ring. Listen close to the wind, hear the ancestors sing. Bury me in velvet, white as the sand, sunk in a bed of leaves across the land. My legacy is the love we grew. I'll live forever inside of you. Farewell for now. Oh, I am gone. Oh, I am gone. But my song in your heart lives on. Farewell for now. Help me, we'll miss you. Farewell for now. Your legacy stays. Farewell for now. Farewell for now.
Ocean breeze, sunsets low. No more forced embrace, just let it go. A stubborn smirk, a crashing wave, holding on to love we couldn't save. How long to wait upon this shore? If love remained, you'd care much more. But my sorrow just feeds your pride. Time to wash it out with the tide. Yeah. The tide rolls out, the shadows fall. A clean break now, no tears at all. No apologies spoken, no regrets to show. A decent goodbye, out cleanly, the footprint behind. No tears in the coral, got peace in my mind. You look back, hoping I'm caught in the undertow, but the island wind shifts, it's time that you know. I gave what I gave, no debts on the reef. Walking away, now I'm finding relief. No clinging, no begging, no lingering trace. Just the salt in the air, in the open space. The tide rolls out, the shadows fall. Ooh, a clean break now, no tears at all. No apologies spoken, no regrets to show. Decent goodbye, let the ego fall. If I dare to love, I dare to lose it all. Wide angle lens on this empty sand. Fooled by a vow, I release your hand. Finally, we learn to say goodbye. Let the ocean roar. Wash away. Yeah, the weather changes, a sudden storm, no apologies needed. We lost the warm, I break the illusion. I stand in the clear, no owing, no begging, no lingering here. Let the Pacific wind carry the pain. A decent goodbye. Let the ego fall. If I dare to love, I dare to lose it all. Wide angle lens on this empty sand. Fooled by a vow, I release your hand. Finally, we learn to say goodbye. Finally, too late to turn back. The sun sinks low. Don't miss me, no looking behind. Just let it drift, drift away on the tide. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
The bogey fades, the shadows part. A healing song for a heavy heart. You wear the mazi of unspoken grief, hiding tears beneath the coral reef. Oh, sorrow locked tight in your chest, a wandering yellow that cannot find rest. Listen to the kagi, let it wash the shame. The ghosts of the past no longer call your name. Segani no mukala, let the stones fall. Segani no mukala, release it all. Bathe in the white, let the spirit renew. Segani no mukala, the healing is you. The Matavu Valley wants you strong to the earth. Close your eyes, find your worth. The cycle stops here on the Mata sour sand. You are no longer bruised by another's hand. Stand in the seagull, let the light warm your face. Reclaim your own mind with the warrior's grace. Segani no mukala, let the stones fall. Segani no mukala, release it all. Bathe in the white, let the spirit renew. Segani no mukala, the healing is you. The bogey ends, the sea guy is bright. Bakategu comes to conquer the night. You are whole, you are free. Segani no mukala, segani no mukala. Let the yellow find peace.
Been a while since you told me your favorite island folklore. I panicked, did I hurt thee? Like waves crashing the shore. You cried, say myths are a lie. No prince of the sea am I. But since you love me, my dear, the stars in my sky turn clear. I'll be your angel of the reef. Wings of palms to bring relief. Believe in our island tale. Happy ending set to sail. Yeah, tides high, no lie. Tales ain't fake. Every promise I make is for our sake. You say it's illusion, caught in confusion, but show my starlight, my one conclusion. You cry, say myths are a lie. No prince of the sea am I. But since you love me, my dear, the stars in my sky turn clear. I'll be your angel of the reef. Wings of palms to bring relief. Believe in our island tale. Happy ending set to sail. Don't let the coral break. Our love is wide awake. I'll shield you from the storm, keep you safe and warm. I'll be your angel of the reef. Wings of palms to bring relief. Believe in our island tale. Happy ending set to sail. We'll ride our sunset ending. We'll ride our sunset ending. more sunrise, one more song. Storms don't own you for that long. Like oh my bula, don't let go. Step by step we'll heal and grow. Raise your eyes beyond the rain. Tomorrow calls your name again. Yeah. Bring your story, bring your fears. We'll trade silence for some years. Coffee's warm, the chair is free. You don't have to carry everything. Hold on close, don't fade away. Night gives up to every day. Like oh my bula, don't let go. Step by step we'll heal and grow. Raise your eyes beyond the rain. Tomorrow calls your name again. Hola, hola. Hola, hola. No mask, no lies, just breathe real slow. One small step is enough to grow. Drop that weight, let somebody know your story matters more than you know. Stay for the laugh, stay for the dawn, stay for the dawn, stay for the dawn. This chapter hurts, but it isn't done. Oh my bula, stand with me. Past the waves, there's open sea. Stay a little longer, you'll see the day. The storm will fade, don't drift away. If words feel small, just stay a while. We'll find tomorrow, mile by mile. Hola, hola. Hola, hola. Fade away. The ocean breeze, ancient and whole. You are an echo woven deep within my soul. Feast until the shadows creep. Driving till I fall asleep. Reading tales yet seeing you. Lost within this endless blue. Isa grasping at the light, fading softly into night. Yours is yours and mine is mine. Severed at the Coraline. My spirit wearied of the endless sea. I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our Almighty grew frail and old. An echo woven deep within my soul. verses till my mind goes dark. Loving blindly, missing every mark. Blind to the reach beneath this hollow boat. Heaven knows how I still stay afloat.
Isa grasping at the light,
Fading softly into night. Yours is yours and mine is mine. Severed at the coral line. My spirit wearied of the endless sea. I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our low money grew frail and old. An echo woven deep within my soul.
drifting deep,
Drift, drift, drifting away. Drift, drift, drift,
drifting away,
drift, drift, drifting away. Drift, drift, drift,
drifting away.
drifting away. There in the heavy rising tide, nowhere in the sea to hide. Said I have wept my tears dry beneath the island sky. My spirit wearied of the endless sea. I chose the silence, letting all things be. I held the mast until my hands grew cold. It seems our low money grew frail and old. Love is vanished,
Washing to the shore,
a quiet truth. I
do not
love you more, more. Sweet farewell unto the shore. An echo woven deep within my soul.
just an echo in my soul,
Just an echo in my soul.
just an echo in my soul.
A sudden cagging, a spark in the dark. You were the seagull that woke up my heart. A fragile glass castle built on the sand. We painted forever, just holding your hand. The wine was still, the ocean was glass, but seasons of Loloma are too sweet to last.
Oh, the butterfly goes on, though the aloe soul is torn.
We bloom like the lotus right out of the mud. A beautiful ruin, the fire and the blood. The seagull will set,
The seagull will rise,
white the love
drowning.
from your eyes. Yeah, look, fell in quick, a heavy vato in the deep. Promises made that you never could keep. Said it was diner, true. Said it was fate. Now I'm just staring alone at the gate. Heart breaks, a storm and echoing thunder, tearing the roots of my spirit asunder. But I rise from the ash, no time to be hollow. I'm stepping right into a brighter Mataka tomorrow. Gotta keep moving, the rhythm is beating. The pain in my chest is already retreating.
Most goodbye,
To the shadow, the night is withdrawn.
the heartbeat continues.
Bula goes on. Bula goes on. shadows anchor down your chest. Lost in a storm, searching for a place to rest. Look at the voyagers navigating through the dark. True life is found within a tiny golden spark. The clouds will part, the morning sun will rise. Wipe away the tears and look up to the skies. You said our love is a shelter on the shore. Dance on the reefs where the turquoise waters roar. Breathe in deep, let your spirit fly. Follow the glowing fireflies across the midnight sky. Don't break your paddle when the waves pull tight. If one path closes, find another light. Carve out your story in the ancient banyan tree. The ultimate treasure is just being free. The clouds will part, the morning sun will rise. Wipe away the tears and look up to the skies. You said our love is a shelter on the shore. Dance on the reefs where the turquoise waters roar. Breathe in deep, let your spirit fly. Follow the glowing fireflies across the midnight sky. Running up the hills where the wild ferns grow, watching glowing embers in the valley below, cracking open coconuts under tropical shade. The rhythm in our heartbeat will never ever fade. You said our love is a shelter on the shore. Dance on the reefs where the turquoise waters roar. Breathe in deep, let your spirit fly. Follow the glowing fireflies across the
I wanna make you proud. I wanna be the light. Hauna solia no wigu. Hena siga keina bogi. For my wife, for my child, for the man that I am. Veiko atiku, veiko luveku. I will stand like a mountain, a proud, strong man. How not today? Meu yavu ni no NaVudeOfficial. It's not about riches or the gold I can own. It's the legacy left when my story is told. A husband who loved, a father who cared, a man who was brave, a man who was there. No kuvuvale, no buio. I wanna make you proud. I wanna be the light. Hauna solia no wigu. Hena siga keina bogi. For my wife, for my child, for the man that I am. Veiko atiku, veiko luveku. I will stand like a mountain, a proud, strong man. How not today? Meu yavu ni no NaVudeOfficial. Oh ya lokaka. I am proud of the journey, the battles I've won. Veiko atiku, veiko luveku. I'll be your hero until the day is done. Yes, I'll be the man that I'm meant to be. Proud as a father, a husband and me. Proud as a father, a husband and me. The golden sun is sinking past the reef. The island settles into sweet relief. We roll a woven mat out on the sand. I feel the magic when you take my hand. The bogey falls across the quiet sea, and there is nowhere else I'd rather be. Look up and see the Fiji, Kalo Kalo shining bright, lighting up our love across the velvet night. This Dodomo is deeper than the ocean blue. My island paradise is anywhere with you. Yeah, under the Kalo Kalo, my heart belongs to you. The Kagi whispers gently through the palm tree leaves, singing the sweet song that the ocean weaves. Daulo mani, rest your head upon my shoulder now. I promise to protect you, let me make the vow. The beach fire crackles soft, the embers glow. The rhythm of the water moving
this magic in the air, with the starlight dancing in your dark brown hair. Just the southern cross above us and the whispering sand. The greatest treasure that I hold is right here in my hand. Fiji, Kalo, Kalo, shining down so true. Daulamani, I'm so Fiji in love with you. This deep island romance, lost under the Fiji stars. Lost under the Fiji stars. You come knocking when your world is breaking down. Tears on your face, the saddest smile in town. I hold you close when you are falling apart. Isale, I feel the heavy weight upon my yaloku and heart. Kuanitagi, don't cry, everything gonna be alright. I'll be your shelter through the darkest night. But can't you see, I am more than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. While you keep on seeking the love out there, Seganiraika, I am the one who truly cares. Why not me? Why not me? Can't you see? Can't you see? Can't you see my feeling for you? No kuloloma. Yeah, look. Every time he breaks your heart, you run back to my door, leaving teardrops on my shirt, crying on my floor. You talk about him every night, asking what went wrong while I've been waiting in the shadows, loving you so long. Yeah, you say I'm just a Itokani, the best you ever had. But hearing that word, man, it makes me go mad. I wipe your tears, hold your hand, tell you it's okay. But Vuni Yaloko is screaming, wishing you would stay. Stop looking out there, stop chasing the pain. Why you searching for the sun when you're standing in the rain? Dre, it's so hard for me to speak, but I'm the strong one you need whenever you feel weak. Yeah, Itokaniga, now I want it all. I'm ready to catch you, just tell me when you fall. But can't you see, I am more than just your friend. More than just your friend. Nakava, we are not belong together in the end. Ooh, while you I look up to the low Malagi high and see the galaxies you painted in the sky. But Kalu, forgive me if my gaze comes down to the most breathtaking lewa on this ground. I know you made the mountains and the sea, but the way she moves is the greatest miracle to me. Bosotio, Kalu, forgive me now for falling so deep in Loloma. I bow. I am mesmerized by your own creation, lost completely in this fascination. Her matana glow like the silver Vude, reflecting light upon the midnight water. I don't mean to idolize an earthly dove, but God, I am sorry, I am just in love. Her skin is golden like the breaking dawn, a masterpiece of art that you have drawn. A seneca blooming in the gentle breeze. Her voice alone can bring me to my knees. When you made her look, you took your sweetest time. Every breath she takes is poetry and rhyme. My utoku beats a rhythm just for her. My spirit's captured, I completely surrender. Vosotio, Kalu, forgive me now for falling so deep in Loloma. I bow. I am mesmerized by your own creation, lost completely in this fascination. Her matana glow like the silver Vude, reflecting light upon the midnight water. I don't mean to idolize an earthly dove, but God, I am sorry, I am just in love. I see your divine grace in her warm smile, so let me walk with her for just a while. I praise you for the beauty of her soul, because loving her has made my spirit whole. Turaga, I thank you for this grand design, and I pray tonight that you will make her mine. Vosotio, Kalu, forgive my staring eyes. She is an angel falling from your skies. Her eyes are the Vude in my darkest night. My beautiful lewa, my guiding light. Vinaka for the gift from heaven above. God, I'm so sorry, I am just in love. Ocean cries, skies are gray. We will see a better day. Oh, yeah. Earth shakes, water falls, nature breaks ancient walls.